Hello. So, I would again like to present a scientific paper which is very relevant for our favorite topic, fish and marine biology, to you. And this is a paper which just appeared in scientific reports by Kobayashi and colleagues. And it deals with my favorite fish and probably the smartest fish in the ocean, which is the cleaner wrasse. So what the authors show in this paper is that these cleaner wrasses, they are mirror cognitive of themselves. So basically, when they look in the mirror, they can recognize that it's them, that it's not just some random other cleaner fish. And this was known before, but they extend that knowledge, they extend that insight. So just to give you a little bit of feedback, this type of ability to identify yourself in the mirror versus thinking it's just another ape, or it's just another fish. This is really unique to very advanced vertebrates, essentially. So elephants, dolphins, great apes can do this. Monkeys below great apes cannot do this. So it was really surprising that this cleaner wrasse can do this. Now, to give you more background, what is a cleaner wrasse? It's a small fish which removes parasites of larger fish. And this is a mutualistic symbiosis, which is to the great benefit of both. Obviously, the larger fish doesn't have any parasites anymore, and these fish parasites are highly inhibitive of growth and flourishing of reef fishes. And the cleaner wrasse gets very rich meals from these blood-soaked parasites. And because it's a small fish having to navigate the world of much larger fishes, this is a fish which then has learned, over the course of evolution, to read the body language of other fish and to be very aware of its social environment. And hence these advanced properties of the cognition of these cleaner wrasses, where they can identify each themselves in a mirror. Now, what Kobayashi and colleagues showed now, as a next step, is that they can gauge their size in a mirror. So it's not just a party trick recognizing themselves. So, but they would see how big they are, and then based on this knowledge, they would be able to gauge what to do in future conflicts with other cleaner wrasses. So when a fish has seen itself in the mirror once, it then knows how big it is, and then based on that, it will either shy away from a conflict with a larger cleaner wrasse, or it might have a conflict, aggressively approach a smaller cleaner wrasse. So they form an actual self-image which they use in social interactions in the future. This is new. So the paper is well done. It's quite clever. I'm linking to it below. There is good explanation. There are good drawings of the experimental setup. I think this is a solid finding. As usual, if you think fish are stupid, you're stupid. And I also want to say, there's so much fascinating biology now out about these cleaner wrasses, and I would love to make a documentary about that. Actually made a trailer. I have a significant amount of footage about these fishes. I'm obviously keeping up with the scientific literature of it. I'm also linking to the trailer, and check it out. One way or the other, within the next year or so, I will make this documentary. So keep tuned, stay tuned for more cleaner wrasse content, and see you soon.